in all the concepts of Feng Shui, there is one location that holds the most mystical and desirable name, the Wealth Corner. Legend says that if you can find and activate this spot, it will bring a continuous flow of wealth energy to the entire home. But where exactly is this Wealth Corner? There are many different theories. Today, we will unveil this most ancient secret and teach you the two most mainstream and authoritative methods to find it. First, you need to understand that there are two types of wealth corners. The first is the Bright Wealth Corner, also known as the Symbolic Wealth Corner. It acts as the showcase window for your home's wealth, responsible for its image and reputation. The second is the Hidden Wealth Corner, also known as the Substantive Wealth Corner. This is like the real energetic vault of your home, responsible for accumulation and protection. An ideal home should take good care of both of these places. So, how do you precisely locate these two treasure spots? Method 1. Finding your Bright Wealth Corner. This method is extremely simple and can be used by everyone. Walk into your main door and find the corner that is furthest away at a 45-degree diagonal from the door. That corner is your home's Bright Wealth Corner. This spot must be kept clean and bright, with a solid wall behind it for support. You can place a pot of broad-leafed, upward-growing green plants here, like the money tree we've mentioned before, to symbolize your growing wealth energy. Method 2. Finding your Hidden Wealth Corner, the Annual Wealth Corner. This method is more advanced and is related to the annual energy we discussed in the last episode. According to the Flying Stars theory, each year, the number 8 star, which symbolizes primary wealth, flies to a new direction. This direction is the annual wealth corner for that year. Year appears on screen, for example, 2025. In the coming year of next year, the number 8 star will be in the east sector of your home. Therefore, the east area of your living room is the most important energy vault for the year. This place should be kept calm and undisturbed. You can place a ceramic or amethyst wealth bowl here to help gather and stabilize this powerful wealth energy. Avoid placing aquarium or too much water here. The Bright Wealth Corner governs the external, helping you open up opportunities and attract sources of income. The Hidden Wealth Corner governs the internal, helping you to protect your wealth and stabilize your foundation. Using both ensures you are strong in both offense and defense. The wisdom of Feng Shui is about empowering you to consciously design the energy field you desire. Starting today, go and find and take good care of these two treasure spots in your home. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue to explore the profound wisdom of the Backing Mountain. Thank you for watching.